AI is everywhere. Some say it's the future. Others fear it might replace jobs or leave people behind. So what does it really mean for you? At AI Firelabs CIC, we see both sides. We see the promise. AI that diagnoses illness, predicts floods, translates languages, and connects communities. And we hear the questions. Will it take our jobs? Can we trust it? That's why we exist. Not to build AI that replaces people, but to build understanding, inclusion, and trust. We're a hands-on community hub where anyone in London and across the UK can explore AI. Our workshops and online lessons make AI fun, creative, and easy to understand. No tech experience? No problem. You'll learn how AI works, how it shapes everyday life, and how to use it creatively, from building chatbots to generating digital art or trying simple coding projects. Every workshop, tool, and resource we create helps you learn, experiment, and imagine a better digital future. We also help small businesses and non-profits use AI safely, not as a black box, but as a creative partner. When people understand AI, fear fades. When they see themselves in technology, they start shaping its future. AI Firelabs isn't just a lab, it's a movement for ethical AI, digital inclusion, and people-powered innovation. So why wait? Join us today, start learning hands-on, and see how AI can empower your creativity, skills, and future.